I have prepared some good habits for you to follow. What are good habits? Habits that will make you look good, feel good, and others will be happy with you. What is this you see? You see a little boy out of bed. Wake up early. Wake up early so that just like the birdies, you are also smart. Get up. Getting up. Waking up without before mama calling. Good. That makes you feel good. Next, after you wake up, what do? The sun is up in the sky. What do? Brush your teeth. Keep your teeth sparkling so that when you smile, everybody will look at you and say, wow, you're polished, you're pearls, your little teeth are like pearls. Good. Next, good habit. What is this? Brush your teeth at night. Before going to bed, having eaten food, brush away all the little particles left in your mouth on your teeth. Good. Next, you must take a bath regularly, morning or evening, or morning and night, anytime. Having a bath makes you fresh, keeps all the dirt of you, and you look lovely. Now, trimming your nail. Trim your nails regularly. That's a very good habit because then, one, you won't scratch yourself. Next, your nails won't hurt others. Three, dirt will not collect under your nail, which will give you a lot of trouble. Next good habit, look, dressing up neatly. You must dress up neatly. Your dress should be neat so that when others look at you, mommy, friends, and they look at you, you must look lovely and smart. Next, comb your hair. Comb your hair in the morning and keep it neat so that you look lovely. Next, you must comb your hair in the evening. Before you go to bed, tie up your hair so that your hair is good when you go to bed. Wash your hands. Before eating the food, as soon as you see your food, don't run to the table. Remember to wash your hands before eating your food so that you take away all the dirt from your fingers under your nail and your hands are clean to touch the food that you will eat. Next, you must wash your hand after eating. After eating, your hand is full of food. Take a nice little bit of soap, brush it nicely, clean away, and wipe your hands after you eat your food. Now, eat healthy food. That's a very good habit. Who gives you healthy food? Your mama. Whatever food mama gives you is full of vitamins, milk, vegetables, fruits, fish, whatnot. Whatever mommy gives you is healthy food. So eat the healthy food that mama gives you. Look, drink lots of water. That's very good for health. You want your skin to look lovely. You want to be energetic. Drink lots of water. What water? The water that mommy gives you in your water bottle. Not any water. Drink only the clean drinking water. Helping mama wash your clothes. What is the meaning of that? After you use your clothes, see that it goes into the basket where mommy collect clothes and help mama to collect the dirty clothes and help her when she does her wash. Wear clean clothes. Your friends, when you meet your friends, you need to look smart. How do you look smart? by wearing clean clothes that mama has for you. Be punctual to school. Never be late. Always be early so that you can meet your friends and have a small chat. Everybody loves when you are punctual to school. This is a very good habit if you want to be a good student, if you want to remember things, what the teacher is telling you. Listen to your teacher. She's got a lot of nice things to tell you to make you a good little child. Here, read your lessons. Whatever lesson the teacher takes, read it aloud at home when you come home. Keep your room clean. Don't give trouble to mama. Don't throw things about, your toys and papers. Do exercise regularly, both at school and after you come home. That will keep you healthy and happy. Always be cheerful. Happy child everybody loves. Keep your surroundings clean. After having used papers or bottles, throw it in the bin. Help others also to keep your surroundings clean. Wash your face often. All the time the dust is blowing into your face and you touch your face. Help yourself by washing your face often and keep smiling. When you have a cold, use a towel and cough into the towel so that you keep your germs in the towel, then throw it into the wash or in the basket. Write your homework, but neatly. Writing your homework neatly makes you remember things and helps teacher to correct your things easily. Eat a healthy dinner. Mama gives you fresh fruits, vegetables, eggs, milk and meat and fish. Whatever mama gives you is a healthy dinner. So eat a healthy dinner, what mama has in the plate for you. Pray to God every day, both morning and at night, and anytime you want God's help to become a little better child, pray. Pray with eyes closed and thinking of your God. It's a very good habit. Go to bed early. Go to bed early so that you look pretty and get a fresh. That's a very good habit for you. Do not litter everywhere. Throwing ice cream after eating, throwing paper, banana peels and so on. Do not litter so that you make the place messy and it's not a good habit. You want to learn good habit? Put things into the bin after you use. Do not eat junk food. Your body will become huge. You will go to doctor regularly. What are the good junk food? Pizzas, fried items, burgers, which mommy says don't eat. Listen to your mama and do not eat junk food which will harm your body and your mind. Do not be lazy. Some children love to lie down and eat, eating chips and drinking colas, which mama says don't do. Being lazy doesn't make you a happy, healthy child.